are back where it all began, really. This is our little setup in Josh's mum and dad's parents' driveway. So my first mindset tip for you is meditation. So meditation has dramatically changed my life and Josh's life as well. So this is something we would never have done if we didn't start this business, and that's what's amazing about what we do. We really focus on self-development, personal development, and going within, because if you can go within, you will never go without. If you can better yourself as a person, you can bring more value to other people. You can help people when you're at your peak performance. So meditation. So all you need to do is either lie on your back or sit down, whatever is comfortable for you. You don't have to be anywhere specific or do any specific poses to do this. And just pop on some delta wave music or go to your happy place. You know, mine is the ocean. So sometimes I'll sit and listen to ocean waves. I'll just close my eyes and I'll just go to my happy place. You know, you can go to a place of no thought. That's usually where you want to go with meditation. You don't want too many thoughts racing, but it can happen, especially if you're new to this. So if you find yourself thinking about a million things that are going on, just focus on your breath. So just take 3 really deep breaths in and out through your nose, and keep doing that until you feel like you're letting go, you're escaping reality, and you're going to a different place. That's what meditation is all about, just calming the mind, because these days we have so much negativity and so much things going through our mind constantly. We have so many thoughts, and it's hard to just take time for ourselves, but self-love is so vital. So highly recommend you give meditation a go. If you want any more information or specific links, I'll be more than happy to share that with you. Just either reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram, or of course you can drop it in the comment section below this video, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. What have we got here, Riley?
It's my birthday present. Now I get all presents.
Oh, so this is from my creative box, and we got the superhero one. Now what are we doing? Puzzles. So obviously we were meant to be in the centre of Australia now, but things have changed, which is fine. So we're camped out the front, but we're going to make it fun. It's coming up to Easter holidays, so we're going to have like a little camp out the front. Josh's dad has a fire in the shed, so we'll get some marshmallows and we'll do an Easter egg hunt. We'll make it as fun as we can, because there's no point sitting around being depressed that we can't travel and do the things that we love to do. We can just create our own fun. We probably had the worst night we have had with Chloe since she's been born. So she's cutting about 4 or 5 teeth at once. So she's getting 2 top teeth, 2 bottom, and I think somewhere else. She's just going nuts at the moment. So yeah, that was probably the hardest night we've had with her. She and because the kids are down there and they're together, it makes it really hard because, well, I shouldn't say it makes it hard, it's just a little bit more challenging than what it was being in a house, because every time she screams she potentially wakes up Riley. But Riley's been really good. Once he's asleep, he's pretty much asleep. Like, we can have a shower, everything, and he doesn't wake up. So, but she was hysterical. Like, she was screaming. Really hard to console her. I'm sure many mothers and fathers can relate to this. When they're cutting teeth, it's not fun. So We were up with her till midnight trying to get her to sleep. She ended up asleep on me most of the night, actually pretty much all of the night. So I didn't get a lot of sleep. Thank you to concealer. I look half normal today. So yeah, that was really challenging. That's probably one of the challenges of living in a caravan with 2 kids. Like Chloe's 10 months old, Riley's 4. So she's cutting teeth. She's going through those leaps and those stages. So thankfully, Riley is such a good sleeper. Once he's asleep, he's really, really good. Like, he's fine. So, but yeah, that's probably been the biggest challenge that we've had so far, just Chloe cutting teeth. Other than that, we've been pretty lucky. They've been pretty good. So just wanted to share that. You know, we have our challenges too. I've had shit all sleep last night, but it's okay. Like, everything's going to be okay. I'm just going to get through the day knowing that everything's going to be okay, because I believe it's going to be okay. So I think if you remain optimistic, positive, no matter how tired you may feel, just keep going. Like, I'm probably going to have a bit of a low-key day today. I'm going to do some meditation, some reading. Probably won't do too much training because I did a fair bit of that yesterday. But yeah, just listen to your mind, listen to your body, and go with what feels right.
This is going to be fun.
It is going to be lots of fun, isn't it? What's this one? We're going to make
ice cream.
Now what have you got?
You got to pass it up.
So we've got strawberries, and we've got, so strawberry, yep. And what else? There should be an apple. What are you going to do with your beach ball now that you have one?
I'm going to go to Chloe, and I'm going to kick it to Chloe, and Chloe can always get it when I love my beach ball and is playing with it.
Yeah, and where do you take your beach ball?
To the beach.
And are we at the beach now?
No.
No, why not?
Cause we're gonna go to the beach later when it's that time. That means we can go to the beach.
Is it because everyone's sick, remember?
Yeah.
So we can't go outside, can we?
No.
No, but we can just play inside until we're allowed to go back out again on our adventures.
Yep.
Yep.
So I'm gonna go and play Chloe right now.
Okay.
Bye.
Seriously, are there any other mothers out there, or any females actually, that are concerned about how their hair is going to go through this coronavirus? Will it come out the other side? I do not know. It's looking pretty sad at the moment. But I know there's a lot worse going on in the world, but who knows what I'm going to look like when this is all over. What are you looking for?
My snakes.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah.
Who got you them?
My son's gave me them.
Your friends from the caravan park that we were at last.
Yeah.
Maxie!
Yeah.
Do you miss him?
Yep.
We might have to go to and visit it again sometime.
Hey guys, so unfortunately with the way things are in Australia right now, none of us are using our caravans, but let's take advantage of this downtime. Now's the time you want to get your van in for its service or any upgrades that you wanted. I was just on the Southern Design RV Facebook page and I can't keep this one a secret. The boys have got some ripper deals going in the workshop at the moment. They've slashed their prices on servicing. They're rolling out cheap tyres. They've got $350 off diesel heater installations. There's so many more promotions going on, but make sure you jump onto their Facebook, check out the promotions they got going on, and use this downtime to get your van booked in, right? Because when we come off lockdown, we're going to all be rushing to get out in our caravans, so we need to make sure all our servicing is done, our upgrades are done, and we're ready to hit the road.
Does anyone else feel like when they have to go out to do the groceries, they're heading out to like Zombieville? This is ridiculous.
I know.
But it's necessary.
I'm staying in the car with the kids.
Got my hand wash, some warm water and a towel. I'm going to wash my hands before I even get back in the car, because I just don't trust this stuff. Ugh.
And 2.5 acidic strong kangaroo water. If you want to know what kangaroo water is, ask a question.
Ooh, yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in on our latest episode. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. We will continue to provide you with these videos, even though we're currently not traveling Australia, as you all are aware, because of the coronavirus, but we will continue to share travel tips, modifications and things we've done to the car and the caravan, and how we prepared for our lap of Australia. If there's anything specific you would like to know or hear or see, please just let us know either in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on any of our social media accounts.